everybody to my second YouTube video ever. I got a lot of great feedback from my first one, and I really appreciate the subscriptions and the follows, and we're going to do a second one. So if you could, before I start, like the video, put a comment in the comment section, subscribe to my channel, and share the heck out of it. So we're going to cover in this video everything that's happened this week so far in the stock market. Mostly covering, GameStop, AMC, the meme stocks that have had such volatility this week. So we're going to start with over the weekend. So over the weekend, we saw a pretty large group of major media networks, prominent financial news websites, television shows, newspapers, discrediting this movement, saying, it's over, take your profits, don't be a bag holder, this is the end, so on and so forth, to, I guess, take confidence away from this Wall Street brokers Reddit movement. And it did work, along with some other things. Robinhood continued to limit buy orders on GameStop of one order to buy. AMC was limited to 10 shares as well. And, you may as well just keep it so that you can't buy and you just have to sell. That's essentially what they're doing in my eyes is, if you can only buy one share of a stock, that's really not going to move it. So in turn, we saw a lot over the weekend, a lot of people on the various websites move to other brokerage firms like Fidelity, Charles Schwab, that have no limits on buy orders or sell orders. So we saw a lot of that this weekend. Robinhood is still in the news and will stay in the news probably until whatever happens on Capitol Hill happens. They're going to have to answer for everything that went on last week. And, with everything that happened over the weekend, the machine doesn't lose. There was a mass sell-off February 1st and 2nd in GameStop and AMC, and it just continued the whole week. Dave Portnoy, who's kind of been the leader of this movement, I guess you could say, along with folks like Elon Musk, lost over $700,000, he stated on Fox News. I believe it's on Tucker Carlson or Stuart Varney, one or the other, and he stated he lost $700,000 and blames it on the CEO of Robinhood. So I guess the question to be had is the SEC going to get involved, the Security and Exchange Commission? Are they going to get involved? Who are they going to go after? Are they going to go after the Reddit board, or are they going to go after these large hedge funds like Melvin Capital, who recorded a 50% loss in the month of January? I'm sure after this mass sell-off in the loan that they received from Citadel, they've recovered most, if not all, of their losses. Which brings me to my point of this video. Now, I'm not giving any type of financial advice or any stock advice, but I have a cousin who used to day trade a long time ago and was very successful at it. And when I first started getting involved in trading, the one thing that he always told me was, bulls make money, bears make money, pigs get slaughtered. He said, you always have to take your profits. Always. He goes, what good is trading a stock if you're not taking your profits when you can? Greed gets involved. You want to max it out. You think AMC or GameStop is going to the moon, which they did. It really doesn't work unless you sell and take your profits. And in the mass sell-off that we saw February 1st through the 2nd, I wouldn't say it was scared investors. I would say it was people taking their profit. People probably bought in at a good price and said, well, I don't know if this train's going to run out of steam, but I may as well take a profit while I still can. And I think that's the smartest thing. That's why we're all in the market. Some of us are long, some of us are doing swing trades. It all depends. Some people are short, but it doesn't come to fruition unless you take your profit and you sell out of the stock in order to make money. That's the whole point. So it's going to be very interesting. I mean, there's a lot of volatility still in the market. between unemployment numbers. You can keep your eye on crude oil, WTI crude, across the $55 a barrel range. And I think it's going to go up from there. I could definitely see crude oil hitting, uh, you know, close to $60 a barrel by the end of February. But we're going to get into that in another video. We're going to comment on some other things involving silver and gold and so on and so forth. But I appreciate you guys taking your time to watch this video. Like I said, please like and subscribe to the channel. As I stated before, none of this is financial advice whatsoever. So please do not take anything I say to the bank. And, this is just an opinion channel, and I'm giving my opinion on what I think is going on in the market. So once again, thank you very, very much for coming in today. And above all else, enjoy your dinner and take care.